learn how to enable the text cursor size in Windows 11. So if you are writing in your Microsoft Word or in Notepad and you want the text cursor bigger or smaller, you can do that. So do a right click in the start icon and then go to settings. Once the setting is opened, at the left hand side, the last third option will be accessibility. And we need to click on that. And then you will find text cursor appearance and thickness and text cursor indicator. So we will click on that. If you want to turn on the text cursor indicator, you can turn it on. So this tutorial is actually you can turn on the text indicator and you can also increase the size. You can see in your preview screen, which is here, and you can see what is the size is there. So basically in normally it will be on 3, you can make it 4 and according to your, and also you can change the colors of the text cursor indicator. All right, so once you are done, you can simply go back to your Word or anything and see the cursor is right here. You can see the change in the cursor. Right. So this is how you can increase the text cursor size and you can turn on or disable text cursor indicator. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.